Hello students. Yesterday we have discussed what is active voice and what is passive voice. Now we shall discuss today what are the rules to convert active voice to passive voice. There are few rules. The object of the verb in active voice is changed into subject in the passive voice. Now I have discussed yesterday also. In a given sentence there are mainly three things. There is subject, there is verb and there is object. The first rule to change the sentence from active to passive voice is to interchange the position between the object and the subject. The object of the verb in a particular sentence becomes the subject, and number two is the subject in the active voice becomes the object in the passive voice. The object becomes the subject and the subject becomes the object. Both thing changes. We should put by before the passive object whenever it is mentioned. In a passive voice, when we are changing a active voice to passive voice, we should use by. Okay, I'll discuss in the given example. uh, Fourth one is the verb in the active voice is changed into past participle in the passive voice. There are three forms of verb: present, past and past participle. For example, do, did, done, give, gave, given, build, built, built. So third one is the past participle. Whenever we are changing a given sentence from active to passive, we should keep in mind that in the passive voice past participle is used. If give is used, then given will be used in passive voice. Future continuous and perfect continuous tenses do not have passive forms. These two kinds of tenses are exceptions. Now we have four subdivision of tenses, that is simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. Similarly, we have this division in past and future tense also, and these two tenses, out of those 12 subdivisions, these two are exceptions. Now let us discuss one example. Yesterday we have taken the same example. Today we are discussing with the same example. Ria cooks the food. This is an active voice. Here we have the subject Ria, we have verb cooks, we have the object, that is the food. Now the passive voice is the food is cooked by Ria. Now in the above sentence, Ria was subject which became the object in passive voice. It comes in the beginning in active voice, but in the passive voice it comes at the end. Now the food used to come at the end in active voice, it was the object and it has become the subject in the passive voice. Now cooks is changed into cooked. Cook is the first form and cooked is the third form, that is the past participle. And we have also used by. The food is cooked by Ria. In active voice we have not used the word by, but in passive voice we have used, because by will be used when we are changing a sentence from active to passive voice. So this should be keep in mind. And change of persons is also very important. If the name is not mentioned, I becomes me, we becomes us, you stays you only, he becomes him, she becomes her, it remains as it, they becomes them. This is a change of person. So what are the basic rules? First is you should interchange the position between object and subject. Second is you should use by. Thirdly, you should use past participle form, and you should also change the persons. If name is not given, if I she, if I, we, you, he, she, it, they are used. Okay, these words are used. So these are the rules.